So if you promote any website on Google for generating for business purpose, first one, you can select your website with multiple keywords. So just open for the option call is, first one is called Google Bookmarks. Please note down. First one is called Google Bookmarks. Marking your website on Google purpose. First select your site, click for Control U. So just I'm selecting for your domain name. Go to your Google Groups. This is your Google Bookmarks. Select option for your Google Bookmarks here. In this one, first you click for Add a Bookmark. Select your website URL. So what are the keywords are using on your description? Select it. Select your label. Select it. Book your flats, apartments, villas, plots in Hyderabad. Here we can promoting for sale in Hyderabad. Here we can promoting for multiple keywords in the one title with using for label and description. Now click for. How many labels are there here? 0 labels. Now click for. Clear? This is all your option. Same like you can promoting for n number of URLs. Google Bookmark any URL you can submit only for one time. You change it for title and description. You change it for multiple times. That is called bookmarks is there. Which one? Click for edit. Change your options like this. Create a new bookmark. Add bookmark. Copy the URL. Book your properties in Hyderabad. Copy. Previously they are showing for 1111. You can see 222. Is it clear? So this is called Google Bookmark purpose. This is only for any URL submit only for one time. That is called marking your site on Google purpose. Next one, sites.google.com. Which one? Sites.google.com. This is same like your Blogger and WordPress type. Same like your Blogger and WordPress type. My website is called Book Your Properties. So going to Google site, change my email ID. So right now, how many websites are there? 0 websites. So I can promoting first keyword that is called apartment with the furniture for sale in Hyderabad. Select it. What that? Create site. First of all, give by your site name. This is the same like your blogger type. But this keyword is promoting for where? On Google backend. Search your title in Hyderabad. Add your logo. Sure. Image if required, add your others. Upload image. Select it. Next, add your content. Add your text. Paste it. For people contact purpose, go to your site. Select your email ID and phone number. Select here. Whole headings. Why? Your contact details, your web address is the most powerful for your content visible purpose. Just copy this one. Click for publish. What is called? Apartment for sale, Hyderabad. Here available. Now click for publish. This is called URL extension. For your extension, apartments for sale, Hyderabad. Here your extension, total keyword will be covered. Is it clear? Click for publish. N number of keywords created by n number of Google sites. That is called keyword generating for backlinks on your particular site. So it's clear. Now click for publish done. See this. If any people come into your site, where is the Google site? Now click for this one. What is called? Rename, remove and open new tab. Open new tab. You can see this one. How people visible your site. Where? Google site. Here. Got it. For the keyword. Upon with the furniture for sale in Hyderabad. Keyword index by where? On Google site. They call by Google. This is called promote your site where? On Google. This is a Google bookmark. Second will be Google sites.